Hi guys, today I want to show you how to unfold the surface using our software. This is actually apart from client here. There's three surfaces here and we can unfold them easily. But before we do anything here, so first you need to download our software from smartunfold.com and then you have to load the software into your AutoCAD here. So it's very simple here to load that here. Just type upload here, and then you click content here, and then you see here this is actually the software is loaded into your AutoCAD. So then the command you can use our software just same using the same commands as other AutoCAD commands here. So and before we do anything here, we just take a look at the pink surface here. So this is actually the pink surface. You see here, this is composite surface. With the Smart Unfold in AutoCAD, we cannot do that. With Advanced Smart Unfold in Inventor and SolidWorks, we can unfold the composite surface here. We can unfold them together. But in the AutoCAD, we only unfold the single double culture surface here. In these cases here, so we just use the command here, explode here. So, and then you click here, and then basically they will just will split the surface here into individual one. Then you can unfold each individual surface here. So here's we have three surfaces here. So if you want to unfold them here, it's very simple. Just use an unfold surface. Now you can select the surface you want to unfold. For example, we want to unfold this one here. And then now you have select the surface, and then you hit the return, and then they will ask you whether you want to have the point or curves on the surface to be unfolded together with the surface here. So in this case, we have two curves here. It says here we select this curve, and we can select this curve here. So and then you hit return, and then you see here you have the unfold results with the two curve here. This is actually the curve that you unfolded. So, and we take this here, we move a little bit away from the central point here. So, and then we can just unfold the other one here. So unfold surface, and then we click this one here. So, and hit return. And then you just rotate a little bit here, and then you see here this is actually the curve we want to unfold, and then you hit return. Then you see here this is actually the results here. So this is actually the results, and similarly we can unfold another one here. This is the one here. So and this is the one. We move this a little bit away so then they don't overlap. So you can move here a little bit, and then you can just unfold surface, and then you just rotate a little bit so you can pick the right point here. You just pick normally the central point here, and hit return, and then you can select the point, select the curve here. So, and then if you hit return, and then they will have the results here. You see here, this is actually the results here you have got. And you can unfold any curve together, any number of curves here together with the surface. So for these kind of results here, for unfolded results, pretty good here. And then you can just use use it as a cutting drawing here, so as the drawing for NC machine. That's for today. Thank you. Bye.